Hey everyone, welcome back to DataBull YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Chainlink. It's not just another crypto. It's being called the missing link that could unlock the full power of blockchain. What is Chainlink actually solving? Why is it being hailed as a breakthrough in the world of crypto? Imagine this. You're building a super smart app on the blockchain, like a betting app that pays out money automatically if a certain team wins, or an insurance contract that pays when a flight gets delayed, or even a loan app that tracks real-world prices before lending money. But there's a problem. Blockchains like Ethereum are closed off from the outside world. They can't see real-world data like stock prices, currency, exchange rates. So how do you bring real-world information into your blockchain app securely? That's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink is like the bridge between blockchain and the real world. It brings real data into smart contracts using something called oracles. So what's an oracle? An oracle is like a trusted data messenger. Instead of one source, it uses multiple nodes and data sources. It checks, compares, and delivers the correct result securely and fairly. Let's say two friends make a bet. If Team A wins the football match, I'll pay you $50. They decide to use a smart contract, so it's automatic and fair. But here's the problem. The smart contract doesn't know who won the game, because blockchains can't access live sports scores. That's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink uses oracles, like trusted messengers, that pull the real game result from official sports websites and send it to the smart contract. If Team A wins, the smart contract sees the result and automatically sends $50 to the winner. No arguing, no cheating, no delays.
So Chainlink brings real-world data onto the blockchain, makes smart contracts actually useful, and removes the need for trust between people. And what is the Link token? It powers the Chainlink network. Smart contracts pay Link to Oracle nodes for delivering reliable data. And node operators stake Link to prove they're trustworthy. So Link is the fuel, the money that keeps the system running fairly. In short, Ethereum runs smart contracts. Chainlink makes them smart enough to understand the real world. Without Chainlink, blockchains are like supercomputers with no internet connection. Chainlink plugs them in, securely, reliably, and globally. If this helped you finally understand Chainlink in simple terms, go ahead and hit like, subscribe to DataBull, and tap that bell icon. More tech explained simply. Coming up next.